Okay, today we're going to be replacing a shower cartridge. So today we're cutting the water off right here at the water heater. If you don't cut it off at the water heater, you can always cut it off at the water meter to the unit. So first thing you want to do is remove your two Phillips screws. Then you can take your Allen and remove the handle right here, and it just slides off. Then you can pull your cover off. Might have to twist this a little bit back and forth to get it off. Screw that off. And just pull your cartridge out. Make sure it's clean and clear anything else. And then slide your new cartridge. Make sure, usually they line up. Make sure you press it flat against the valve, and then just put everything back together. All right.